arrived this beautiful Lapiz Blue Golf R 4Motion 2019 registration, but it's only got 5,500 miles on this car. Full VW service history. Still with the live pricing, this car is 32,990. Now this is not any ordinary Golf R, it's got lots of extras. Extras that people ask for all the time. Extras that you want in a car like this. Now remember, it's a 300 horsepower hot hatch, but it's a beautiful colour, it's iconic really. It just looks stunning, it's a 5-door, DSG gearbox. It's just amazing. Now it is a 7.5 mark model, so you have more upgraded headlights, the LED daytime running lights, the more refined front bumpers, the black sections with the grills, and that front splitter as well with the coverings. If you go on the side, you'll notice straight away that this car's got the upgraded 19-inch Pretoria Black Alloys wheels, which is the best wheels you can get on the Golf Rs in my opinion. Front rear parking sensors, and you've got adaptive cruise control. All the side skirts are finished in high gloss black. The Golf R badging, the pushed aluminium mirror covers to identify as a Golf R right away. The sun protection glass, the blacked out windows, but then the big extra, the tilt sliding panoramic roof. So a couple of things, wheels and roof work hand in hand. There's lots of Golf Rs out there without the wheels, certainly without the roof. Almost none of them have the sunroof, so it's just nice to have. If you're buying a car like this, again, you want it to have all the sort of feature comforts. You've got the R seats there, bucket style seats with the Alcantara, very sporty, lips your kidneys, keeps you in the seat, you can fling around corners and really enjoy the drive. Flat bottom steering wheel, you've got heated seats, dual zone climate control, navigation, DAB, all those extras that you'd expect. The illuminated edge kick plate, and then you have the ambient lighting in the door cards with that beautiful sort of carbon fibre effect on all the inlays. Stitching on the extended leather, Isofix attachments, 3-point seat belts, and the centre armrest comes down as well for the rear passengers. We've also got fully fitted mats front and rear, but it's the condition. Because the car's a 19 registration vehicle, we've still got the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty with 5,000 miles on. I don't exaggerate when I say the car's immaculate, it's exactly that. There's no dents, there's no scratches, it's had no paintwork, it's been very well looked after, very low miles on the car, it's just perfect. If you're in the market for a Golf R and you want one that hasn't been sort of messed about with, then this is it. All the LED rear lighting system, the sweeping dynamic rear indicators, press the VW badge, and then you get yourself a very nice tidy boot. It's a good size boot, but all hot hatches like this size are. It's a Golf, reliability factor, it's there, the sort of quality of the car is brilliant, and underneath you've got a bit more cubbyhole space as well. Remember the seats do go down 60-40, so you can create a bigger boot space if you need to. And like all Golf Rs, you've got the quad tailpipes, 2 on each side, surrounded by a lovely flared out rear diffuser as well. Again, this side there's no dents and scratches, all the wheels are in immaculate condition, there's no corrosion, there's no curb damage, nothing like that. The car isn't due an MOT yet, would it be a 19 registration, but for me, the Lapiz Blue, the upgraded wheels, the roof, it works extremely well. And 32,990, if you compare this car to what's out there and what's available, it is the best value in the country. You have got 2 keys, you've got automatic headlights, automatic window wipers, all the adaptive cruise control is here, stereo controls, Bluetooth controls is all there. You've then got the full digital sort of live cockpit there, that's all digital now, that's brilliant. Paddle shift just there, the adjustment on the steering column which goes in and out and up and down. And then over here, there's the heated seats buttons, your dual zone climate control. Remember 4Motion, so it's 4-wheel drive. You've got your normal DSG gearbox, which is a brilliant gearbox by the way. The gear change is effortless, it's rapid, there's no delay. And the engine itself, with the 300 horsepower, create a great sound, but the handling and the driving factor is just, they're a brilliant car. If you haven't been one before and you're in the market for a hot hatch, this is definitely a contender, one to be considered. Because I know people out there buying M140s and sort of the A35s and that sort of thing. I think these are a cracking car. Don't miss a heartbeat, they never let you down. You know for a fact you can wake up every single morning, turn the key, there'll be no lights on the dashboard, and just enjoy it every single day. The media system's very easy to use, it's all touchscreen and it's dead simple as well. The navigation's very detailed. There's not much more you really need or want out of a car like this. You've got electric mirrors and electric folding mirrors as well. If you don't want to use the sunroof, press the button, it closes up, and then you've got the slider to hide it so it's nice and dark. You've also got things like glasses case holder as well, with sun visors. What a brilliant car. let me just emphasise a bit more on the 5,500 miles and the condition. When you're buying a Golf R, these high performance cars, they collect a few stone chips quite quickly on the front. When you're buying one with 25,000 miles on, 45,000 miles on, it doesn't make it a bad car because everyone's got a budget to sort of work by. But if you can't afford this car, 5,000 miles on, you won't be disappointed. My name's Joe, thanks for watching, bye bye now.